Alright, here's an example of our E39 headlights. Our E39 headlights will run from 97 to 03. Pretty much that means your pre-faced 97 to 00 and your facelifted 2001 to 03 will be interchangeable with one another. But however, for facelifted vehicles, we will need to do some work to this particular headlight. The minor modifications we do for the customer when they purchase a facelifted version of the E39 headlights are, this is going to be your Euro City Lights plug. Pretty much we refer to it as our Angel Eyes wire. What we'll do is cut this off so you won't have any more plug. Pretty much tap the OEM plug for your vehicle, which will make it pretty much plug and play for your Angel Eyes on your facelifted vehicle. The next thing we will add for the customers are the corner light sockets, adapters that are appropriate to it, and the bulbs. The bulb size, the socket size are 1156 to 1157 size. Pretty much these are, besides the ones you will pick up from the dealer, these are the only ones that will fit on our depot headlight. So you have to make sure the customer gets the right one. Once you have everything, pretty much this will be a push-in, plug in here, and then you'll be left with 3 wires. Since the facelifted E39 headlight will require a single filament bulb, meaning that it only has one function because the Angel Eye takes over the parking lights function, you'll only tap 2 wires, meaning the positive and negative, and leave 1 wire out. So the colors that you will need are blue and yellow. Yellow being your negative to your brown wire, and your blue positive to a blue wire in your car. So pretty much leaving out the green wire. So once you've done that, plug everything in, everything should work fine. This concludes our lesson.